Okay, so I've sealed it up, and now I need to bolt this down with the clamp. Again, a bit tricky with one hand. So let me see if I can maneuver this. Undo this. There we go. And then tighten this down so it clamps down on the O-ring. That was not the original O-ring. We had to fashion this. But it's just got to be tight enough that no vapor can escape. So we hand tighten that. Water level's there. We've drained out all the oil. Plug this silicone tube back in. And we should be ready to go. Let's make sure that I can't tighten this anymore. There. Okay, now let's go to the screen and set things up. And it's the right temperatures, so hit run and click on her. Did you close the cover? Yes. Is the water fixed quantity? Yes. Did you set the hydroglass filter? Yes. Mode selection and commence. And it's going to heat up the bottom of the retort and the top of the retort up to 716, 788, and then the filter will go on up to 600 once there's vapors starting to be made in here. And that's about all there is to it. We want to put this back on. There we go. And it should take 3 to 3.5 hours for it to do its magic. This has to be closed, of course. And yeah. So this was full yesterday. I did one run last night. I'm doing run this morning. Probably, let's see, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's between 6 and 8 runs for every 27-gallon container of number 7 plastic. But it turns into this oil here. That's what we're getting out of it. That's the oil that we've gotten from it. And then we have to decide what to do with that oil, what we can do with that oil. Pyrolysis oil. This one is pure polypropylene, and this one is HDPE bottle caps. This is a mix of number 7 plastics, and you can tell it's much more contaminated. It's not as clear as this one here. This one is quite pretty. If you sort your stuff and use just virgin stuff, you get much higher quality results, of course. Anyway, we'll be back in 3.5 hours to check on everything here. All right, cool.